I got this ceiling fan put up in the bathroom, and it has the Bluetooth speaker. It was playing music, but when I started recording, then it shut off. So I'll talk to you about the install here. This is just in the old nasty bathroom. This bathroom needs to be remodeled and ripped out, but for now, it's never had a decent fan. Somebody had put one in the wall, but it was never even vented. It was just like blowing into the wall cavity, so it was super stupid. But this one right here, I just got it at the Home Depot, and it's got the Bluetooth in it so you can play the music. And how it works is you just take your switch out of the wall, you wire your supply together, and so that's always got power. And this little switch thing has a battery. So you just pop this little cover plate off right here. It's got a battery, and then you can scan the instructions for the app, and so you can go around in the app and you can shut the fan on and off. You can put it on a timer, and you can play with the little light color right there. Let me see what I can do here and just change the colors. Let's see. See, it'll let you change the colors. You see that? So you can play around with the colors and stuff. But that's what it sounds like when it's on. And it has the retrofit option or the new construction option. I did the retrofit right here. I cut through the plaster with my reciprocating saw, and it ruins, I'm sorry, not the reciprocating, but the little Dremel tool. What is it even called? The oscillating saw. It destroys the blade, but it'll get through the plaster. So hopefully that'll keep the nasty mold down in here until I can rip this bathroom apart. And then once I rip it apart, I'll just keep that same ceiling fan, and then I'll put it in the new bathroom. So the little switch, I couldn't understand just by looking at the box, but like I say, it's just a AA battery you change. And when you go up, I put flex duct up from my exhaust fan out the roof with the damper on the roof vent. And I got lucky because I cut the hole up there. I wasn't thinking I should cut it from the attic because I need to see where my rafters are. So I got lucky. I didn't hit a rafter, but next time I do that, I'm not going to be so risky. I need to cut from the attic. So that's in there. And what else was I going to tell you about this install? I don't know. I didn't even know they had these little Bluetooth speakers in the bathroom fan. So it's kind of a cheesy little gimmick, but it's fun. The kids will like it. And now it'll give us a way to exhaust all the humid air out of this bathroom. Okay, well, just wanted to show that I installed that, and hopefully it gave you some little pointers if you want to install one in your bathroom. And so that's all I have for now. Thank you.